A shift from finding Dani to getting justice for her. Tonight, family members of Danielle Stislicki speak out about her mysterious disappearance and the continuing fight for answers. It was December 11, 2016, when Danielle Stislicki walked out of her Southfield office, never to be seen alive again. Her body never found.
And charged in her murder, Floyd Galloway, a former security guard who worked in Dani's office. And as the family prepares for trial, they are now acknowledging they may never find her, but they won't stop fighting for justice. Let's bring in Local 4 Defender Karen Drew. She has been talking to Dani's family. Karen?
You know, it's really hard to believe. It's been nearly 5 years since Dani went missing. Each trial date keeps getting moved. And as time passes, the family realizes actually finding Dani may never happen.
She was young, creative, hardworking, silly at times, and everyone's friend. That's how those who knew Danielle Stislicki describe her.
Why do you think so many people have an interest in this case?
I think because it hits so close to home, and a lot of the people have said that they can completely relate to that because either they're Danielle's age or they have kids that are Danielle's age.
Chris Palowitz is Dani's uncle. He runs the Facebook page for Danielle Stislicki's case. The page was called Find Danielle Stislicki, but recently the family decided to change the name to Justice for Danielle Stislicki.
Police said early on that they didn't think she was alive. We're faced with a lot of facts, and we have to be honest with people, and we have to let them know that we are accepting and we are moving on, and we are, changing the focus.
Bob Sackley is also Dani's uncle. She lived with him for a short time.
Do you remember your last interaction with Danielle?
She entertained us with some of her Danielle stories. She always had funny stories about her life and times, and she left, and that was the last time I saw her.
It seems strange that we're coming on the 5th year, right?
It's very frustrating. It's gone too, in my opinion, it's gone too long. COVID was part of it, I understand that. There's a lot of legal maneuvering involved with these things, that's understandable, but 5 years is awful long.
5 years of not knowing. Some of Dani's relatives have died since then, dying with the unsolved murder weighing on their souls.
And we had, a year ago in December, we lost Danielle's grandfather. I lost a brother-in-law in this time frame, and my mother-in-law just passed. So I've had a lot of major trauma.
As they prepare and wait for the trial of Floyd Galloway, there is a yearning for answers. Previously presented in court, Stislicki and Galloway were seen outside of her office the night she disappeared, with Galloway's car's roof up. Police searched Galloway's Berkeley home, removing many items, including a mattress. Galloway admitted to sexually attacking a jogger at Hines Park in Livonia, an attack that happened 3 months before Dani went missing. But that guilty plea will not be allowed in his murder trial. As for Dani's uncles and her extended family,
we're at the point where we just want closure.
They say they'll be in court fighting for justice.
There's going to be a lot of us there. I mean, it's going to be like in shifts. There's a big family, so there'll be definitely a presence there with Danielle's family.
There's been so many delays in Floyd Galloway's murder trial. New lawyers, COVID hit, and just this week, Galloway's attorney complained about not receiving all the needed documentation, which now could delay the January 4th trial date that is scheduled. I'm following the case very closely. They are meeting again next week, so I'll keep you updated on exactly what happens. Back to you.
Such an ordeal. All right, Karen.
Thank you, Karen.